Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 21/6/2022 and the time is 7:50 p.m. And finally, Bulls had a smile today. And this we predicted last week itself. And I clearly mentioned in the Dow Jones, NASDAQ also that it is at a very, very crucial stage. So expecting a good possible bounce back. And the date is actually 21st, June. And today it was a trend change date, even for Dow Jones, NASDAQ and S&P. And that is what I mentioned in that video. And today Nifty also has done very well, and we clearly mention why we are bullish on the market based on 17th high and low of Nifty, and apart from that fortune signals weekly fake sell as of now. So you can go back and view see that video which I put in in YouTube channel, which is weekly forecast for this week. So you can go back and see all that. And whether everything was solved and we are going to go for a big run from here, absolutely no. Absolutely no. So this is just a pullback, expecting more or less 1,000 points pullback from the low, and we are already done 500 points from the low, which is 15,190 to 15,700 level. Possibility of another 300 to 400 points or maximum of 500 points. So after that we need to see whether it is going to give any bullish reversal from there, or it is going to tank from there. So as of now, till it holds 17th low, till it holds 17th June low, Nifty, there is no problem. And these 3 days are very, very crucial. And this is what I'm telling from the beginning of the month, that 21, 22, 23 of June is very, very crucial. 21st is actually a good day for bulls actually. And we need to see what's going to happen in 22nd, because 22nd is a cyclic day for Bank Nifty. So we need to be very, very cautious to trade on Bank Nifty. Again, first 15 minutes high and low of Bank Nifty tomorrow will do the miracle. So watch out for Bank Nifty tomorrow because it is having a cyclic day. And when I was doing my work, I was find a little bit fishy in Reliance. So be very, very careful on Reliance. So we have already marked the levels also till it doesn't close above 2605. So pain will be there. If it breaks 2555 on a closing basis, possibility of 2351 in Reliance. So maybe that may be the culprit for this fall in case if that happens in the coming days to come. So let's go to WhatsApp and see what all we discussed and how we captured the entire move and how we exited at the top. Okay. So now let's go to the WhatsApp. Okay. So now this is our WhatsApp group. Okay. So I have taken, and today Glenmark, had a TCD and it did. That was the only counter in pharma company which has given better return when compared to any other, stock. And today the entire bullish move was a little bit screwed by Zerodha and other stuff. Anyway, okay, so this is what my first target in Reliance. If it breaks, so let's watch this. And today 907 number is not able to give the buy initiation, but our Nifty future number gave the buy initiation and achieved out the target. But we improvised our target in the later point of time, and from there it gave another 130 points more. So this was the first timing at 10:10 to 10:10 was the first timing which was given before the market opens, and this was the future number, Nifty future number at 9:15, and all the targets done from 15,469 to 15,617. But we improvised here. Once it was reaching near this level, I improvised the target and I gave additional target saying that move above this number for 5 minutes. Targets are this, and this. And the last target was missed by 5 points. The last target was missed by 5 points. So we are able to capture this move also, which was again another 120 points move from our, Nifty future numbers, which I normally give it at 9:30 to my subscribers. Okay, the stop loss is just 33 points. That's all, and it gave a phenomenal run today. And Nifty Bank Nifty future number This was the number, weekly number, which is 33,230. Exactly when there, came down badly, again went up, close to below that. So Bank Nifty is little bit weak when compared to Nifty, because now this number is very, very crucial. 33,230 is very, very key going forward in Bank Nifty tomorrow. Anyway, I will show that in my PPT. And Zerodha was the killer today. And make or break, make or break. Everybody made very good money today, so I don't want to go and show all that to you. So this was the make or break, make or break. Okay. And this timing was predicted at 1:46 p.m. 1:46 p.m. Watch out, this 2:15 to 2:20 was a make or break candle. Okay, let's go to the chart and see what all happened today. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. Okay, so this was our Nifty future number. Sorry, this is Nifty spot. We'll go to the Nifty future. So after 15 minutes, 9:30, it gave a buy here at 15,469. And this was the timing candle. After crossing the timing candle, because none of the candle closed below the timing candle, so went up. We improvised our target. Our target was 15,724, but it missed by 5 points, and the high made was 15,716. So it missed by 9 points, but we are able to capture this timing and see from there how it fell. And we predicted this timing half an hour before. Half an hour before, we predicted 2:15 to 2:20 candle will be the make or break candle. See how market respects these timings. It's a wonderful to watch all this. Okay, so now let's go to Bank Nifty future. This was our weekly number. It must close above the weekly number. That is what I mentioned today. It went up exactly from here, went and touched that number, came down, again touched that number, came down. 3 times it got resisted at that number. And you have this number 2 days before itself. And this number was given in my weekly forecast also. So from there, again, it was a bump up candle, went up and came down and closed below. So tomorrow, this is the number which we need to watch out for, 33320. Okay. Apart from all this, if you go to fortune signals, we are able to catch this top exactly. See where it went and touched that red and came down in 1 hour. Okay, unless and until it breaks the 1 hour red color, and if it gives a genuine buy, yes, there are some more steam left. So we need to watch tomorrow, because Bank Nifty is having a cyclic day tomorrow. So we need to watch it. So this is how Bank Nifty, see how exactly it went and touched and came down. And this is again Bank Nifty spot exactly within that candle. And if you see, till now there is no buy. After it gave a buy here, again it started falling. And if you go back, see where it gave a sell. It gave a sell at 36,807. 36,807. And from there, now we are at 33,191, and the low was here. Till this low is held, that is what I said in my weekly forecast. Till that weekly low is held, because it is broken this red color, till it holds this low, there is nothing to worry in Bank Nifty. The same Bank Nifty has given a sell. Now it has to show it will be a genuine sell here. Once it becomes genuine sell, we are in for another 700 to 800 points cut in Nifty. So till that time, bulls can breathe, bull can smile on all that they can do. Okay. So now, if you go to Nifty on an hourly basis, I don't need to do a lot of trend lines and other stuff. So we know this. In case if the market again comes down tomorrow, it will come and take the support here, 15,315. Or if it goes here in 15 minutes, it will come and take the support here, because today Nifty has given a 15 minutes buy in our system. But Bank Nifty, after giving buy, it came and closed exactly where it gave a buy. So tomorrow, if it breaks this level, 33021, I'm talking about Bank Nifty spot, 33021, the pain will start. All these numbers I've already given in my PPT, so you can watch out. And yesterday, I clearly mentioned that IRCTC and IEX are at the crucial bottom based on fortune signals. Okay, so today it had a good move. Why? Because a simple thing, it is inside the monthly fortune signals, red and blue. And this is what I covered when I did my, stocks to watch out, few stocks to observe. So it came exactly very near to this number, 565. It went up. And if you go to IEX, the same happened. And this is what I mentioned to my subscriber, that it is at the bottom. Monopoly stocks are at the bottom. Only these two counters, nothing else. So you can invest 20% here, but remaining 80% you need to stay in cash. Suppose if you want to invest 1 lakh in this counter, you need to invest 20% here. You will get a better opportunity and you can buy it at a later point of time. There may be a possibility of getting buy one and get three free also. So buy one and uh, get one free offer is going on as of now in many of the counters. So buy one and get three free also will come in the later point of time. So this is stock which I'm seeing. So if it breaks below 169, 167.55, stop loss is only 2 rupees. The next target is 144. Watch out for this. But as of now, it has taken support exactly from uh, you know I fortune signals monthly number. So nothing more to add. Let's see how far it is going. Even if you take Fibonacci level and it says the maximum target is roughly around 15,760 to 15,780, or even maximum you can take 15,800. But all these crucial exact levels are already given in my PPT. So we will go to the PPT and see what happens for tomorrow. Okay, so now let's close this. So I've already marked the 21st high and low here, and this date we predicted when the month beginning was happened. Okay, so this was the high and this was the low. So now this is the very crucial level which we need to watch out for. June 14th. June 14th is a very crucial level which we need to watch out for. And Bank Nifty is more or less, it went to this level, but it failed and it came down today. Okay, so watch out. This will be the crucial date. This will be the crucial date. And Bank Nifty is having a cyclic day tomorrow. Cyclic day tomorrow. First 15 minutes high and low in Bank Nifty will do the magic tomorrow. And this is what I mentioned today also. Beautifully it went. Simple, no observation, no trend line, no analysis. Simply trend change date. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And today it done the magic. Okay. So this is what I clearly mentioned. Exciting week because we have three combination dates. Bulls has to pray for bottom formation within 3 days time. And I've given this in my weekly webinar saying that I was expecting 1,000 points move from the bottom, which is 15,190. As of now, 500 points done. Let's see how much it's going to give from here. So mark the high and low of today. Break above another 250 points on the upside. It has to sustain that today's high at least for 30 minutes. If it else 250 points on the Nifty on the upside and 750 points in Bank Nifty, if it breaks today's low, the width of the candle was very big. And if it breaks today's low, again 250 points on the downside in Nifty, 750 points. Maybe in Bank Nifty, you can take another 1,000 points also. Okay, so inside bar pattern, Nifty and Bank Nifty expecting fireworks in the next 2 days. This is what I mentioned on my weekly forecast. And the firework done today. It was a good day for all the bulls. And now it closed above the weekly pivot number. So let's see how the market is going to plan out for tomorrow. Okay. And all these dates I've given much earlier to all you people. And 21st and 22nd June are mega combination dates. Again, 18th October is going to come. All that we have given much earlier. And Glenmark was the blockbuster move today. In all the pharma companies, when you compare, this guy has given the maximum return. So that's the power of trend change rate. So now mark the high and low of these three companies, especially LTI, because this add yearly TCD. So mark the high and low of LTI. Whichever side it breaks, you know how to trade that. So use it to the maximum. And again, coming to these are tomorrow's number. These are all tomorrow's number. This is again spot. This is futures. Okay, spot and futures. And many people started taking my video, taking the photo shot and making money and started sending it to my WhatsApp group. I know WhatsApp personal numbers. So I'm very happy that somebody makes money out of my numbers, even though they are not my paid subscribers, but still they are making money just because of these numbers. And It's good to see all that. So now, based on this, the three numbers are bearish, the minor number are in bullish. So now tomorrow we need to see, I think 629, I think this is also plus. Okay, so now these three numbers are in plus. Oh, sorry, this is 16,629. I'm sorry, I thought 15,000. So all these major numbers are in minus, the minor numbers are in plus. The minus number are in plus. How to trade this number? It is here. How to trade these numbers? I've already mentioned everything here. Okay, so you can go back and check. And coming to Bank Nifty, yeah, exactly. It closed near to the weekly pivot number, which is 33,230. This number is valid for the whole week. Whole week, only one number. There is no question of support from 33,200 to 37,400. All that no single number finished. Okay, so 33,230 means 33,230 only. It is not even 33,231. It should be that precise, and it is a precise number. And today you have seen how it worked, that number, how it got resisted at this number. Okay, and again, intraday number, it's bearish. These two numbers are bullish. So below this number, problem will start, and tomorrow it has to sustain this level at least for 30 minutes tomorrow, and it has to break this number. So above this number, it is simply bullish. You can keep the stop loss of this, or you can keep the minus stop loss of this only. But we use fortune signals 1 minute, and we will do the miracle. Okay, so this we have already done. And if you go to fortune signals in 1 minute, today it is a miracle day, because normally when it is a trend change date, we simply use 1 minute. We simply use 1 minute to trade, because whenever trend change date happens, it will come and try to take the support at the blue, and it will fly. And it will fly. See this. This 1 minute opened, came down, exactly took the bottom at the fortune signals blue and red, went up, went up, went up, came down exactly again. This stop loss is very, very minimal, very, very minimal. Came down exactly, touched here at 15,586. From here, another 100 points. And again, I've taught my guys how to trade this. Once it breaks this red color, if this candle is not, the next candle is not closing below this candle, again buy. And this is the same thing which I explained in my weekly forecast video, why we should buy Nifty at that point of time. And that is why we are seeing this kind of a move. And once it breaks here, we exited everything. We exited everything, and we are holding only half of the quantity of Nifty in long. Bank Nifty, we are not holding any position. We sold everything, and we are not holding any stock position except ITC. In case if ITC holds 262, possibility of 277, 288, and 297. Let's watch whether it is going to hold Nifty or it's going to move further. Be a little cautious on Reliance in the coming days, but use your system. As of now, it has not given any sell to us, but once it gives a sell to us, we will definitely go short in Reliance, because there is something fishy, something going fishy in that counter. That may be the culprit to bring the Nifty down from here. Let's see tomorrow morning. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.